that we have in our booth may look like the same machine that we have in our offer for years, but internally it's different because it runs on a Caterpillar motor. This is the 18-liter motor, which generally works in trains, but because of this power, 800 brake horsepower, we need to put such a big engine to produce good throughput on the machine and gives the customers good results when it comes to shredding. The good thing about this machine for the customers is, of course, that it is compliant with the Stage 5 engine, with the Stage 5 norm, but it doesn't have the TPF or AdBlue, which makes for some of the customers easier to maintain because there are less things that can go wrong on the machine. The second difference on the machine is that we sped up the conveyor that releases the whole material outside from under the shaft. Now it's twice the speed that we have in the standard version that we had in standard version a few years ago, which means that the machine is able to remove the material easily without any problems, without any blockages, and also it improves the whole performance of the machine because now we can use the machine with the fullest potential and with the maximum speed of the shaft. The 210, this is one of the most popular also machines from our range. This is well-known machines around the world. We have them working in US, we have them working in Finland, we have working them in Qatar, for example. So this machine is a really worldwide known machine that is known from its capabilities to shred the material to big throughput and make our customers really happy.